We understand, we know you. You might be a startup, an enterprise, or an individual striving for business success. Technically, it's not important who you are, all it matters is what you get. That's where we play a crucial role. That's where we come into the picture. We are your cavalry who turn your idea into a successful business. Not just by creating an app or website, but by building brands. We create advanced technology that unlocks the future of your business endeavor and create what your business needs, not just what you want. We help you accelerate your business by delivering technology solutions from strategies and design to development and deployment. We at Dash help you build mobile apps and websites on modern technologies. We work across trending technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data, IoT, AR, VR, MR, React Native, Flutter, and all other native technologies. Connecting with Dash is connecting solutions, irrespective of your business problem. All you need to do is contact us and take the first step to create your business success.